that, and if we manage to get through that, as not just as a family but as people, as a nation, there's not much that can break you down. So historically, Serbian people and people in the region have had a lot of hard wars and hardships, and they've been through that. So it was really nice to see the unity with people. And I remember I was actually talking the other day with my brother and my wife about still reflecting on that period, and what was the strongest image that stayed with us from this bombings of 2.5 months in '99. And one of them for me was obviously the one that I explained to you with the birthday and shelters, but there was one where I remember thousands of people gathering on the bridge, one of the most important bridges in our city, with shirts that have targets there, and everyone painted their heads with like in a shape of a target, and singing songs, and kind of just enjoying, having fun, and in a way showing to the world and to whoever is kind of dropping bombs that we are the target. So we are protecting this bridge, we are protecting this city. If you want to crash it, you have to go through us. And it was, I think more than that, it was just that power of unity, that energy and that strength that they just showed, the resilience. And that was beautiful, in those moments of hardship.